The health crisis we are facing is stressing the need for advanced textile materials, many of which are manufactured in Catalonia.
Hem adaptat la nostra gamma de productes al tema sanitari per poder ajudar a la subjecció de màscares, bates, paucs, guants i coses com aquesta. Les dificultats que hem tingut és adaptar la nostra maquinària als diversos angles, a les diverses composicions i a tota mena de coses que ens demana aquesta nova realitat. Amb això nosaltres també voldríem que es donés molt de valor i es potenciés el teixit industrial del nostre país que està estant a l'altura en aquest moment.
The members of AEI TèXTILS, the Catalan cluster that brings together companies and organizations working in the sector, have been able to tackle the circumstances in these difficult moments. They are taking action to respond to the health system needs. The cluster is a tool that helps strengthening the competitiveness of the companies that are part of it. AEI TèXTILS works to support its members, especially when they are facing new challenges.